This 7-inch car polishing kit from Ironton gives you everything you need to wax and polish your vehicle to a dazzling shine. Get up to 3,000 RPM of polishing power from the 11-amp motor, which gives you total control for any application with a variable speed control. Easily handle extended polishing jobs with the lock-on button and multi-position side handle. Get long-lasting durability from the die-cast aluminum gear housing. Change accessories quickly and easily on the 5/8-inch spindle with lock. Attach all standard 7-inch polishing accessories on the hook and loop system. The kit comes with 4 different pads and 2 different bonnets. It also comes with a spanner wrench and 6 microfiber towels. Store it all neatly in the nylon bag. Wax and polish your vehicle to a dazzling shine with this 7-inch car polishing kit from Ironton. Only at Northern Tool.